You want to click and earn money, click again and earn money, and all this money will be able to increase over time. Hello and welcome a new video. This time, I bring you some new websites with which we will be able to earn money in a super simple way. Believe me, they are excellent methods for you to start earning money in a super easy way. That is not a miraculous method, but one that will be able to give you very good profits in a super simple way. So if you want to see how to do it step by step and you too start generating cryptocurrencies, cash, and so on, I'll give you the full video so you don't miss a single detail, and you too can start earning money online in a super simple way. The first website you are using is about this, although I recommend that you stay at the end because at the end from the video you will see the best websites the best website to earn. This claims to be the #1 website to earn in Faucet. And well, how do you win the truth? That it gives you a lot of options by clicking on ads, receiving rewards, receiving interest for referral content, completing offers. The truth is that it has a lot of very varied options because it starts earning in a super simple way. As you can see, it is a super simple opportunity to start earning here. You could even calculate your earning has an interest of 0.7%. That although it doesn't seem like much, believe me that being there is gaining a lot over time. Here are some of the partners with whom it works. For example, Kiwi World at King Media of Air, Toro Office in Beijing, Research at Game Waynit, and others that are not called. Others more but offer, and others how to start earning because you simply complete tasks and you will be able to make your withdrawals. Here it is, look at the step, quite confusing step. There it is, here we start, create an account, verify the account, start receiving your earnings, try other methods to earn withdrawals your earnings, and that's it. What else do you want? That's how you can start earning. It's not like there are going to be another 10 or 20 steps. No, basically it's a super simple series of steps to start generating. Now yes, here you will see how many registered users, how many clicks have been given, and how many have been paid in Bitcoin. That a very good amount of script or coins have been paid, but well, a lot of information on this website. But we want to win now. To start earning, you just have to register by clicking here and register with a username, an email account, your Faucet Pay address, because if you are going to have to create an account, Faucet website, your password, and we confirm the password at the end of the video. It will teach you how to create the account in Faucet Pay. In case you don't have any, we complete the CAPTCHA, and ready to log in here, we give it to remind us, and we are going to log in now. Yes, as you can see, here are my Bitcoins here, how much we have earned, and others. Now to start earning, it's super easy. We're going to click it, and I'll send it to that if you have several options to win. But hey, let me show you. We're going to click here to use it in start, and it's going to bring us, for example, to this website. That being inside the website is enough to have it open for it to start generating, which then becomes a much easier opportunity. Now we are going to click on another one, and it is quite simple. We click here on start, and we wait for it to finish loading. In fact, it takes a lot less, just 10 seconds to one, and that's it. As you saw, it was super fast, and that's it. We're already starting to earn more money. We are going to wait here and ready. We are going to see another one. As you see, they usually pay 2 hertz is 8 sato if for 10 seconds. The truth is that you are going to be able to win super quickly. Look, in fact, just leave the website open and wait for yes. Well, it's a super simple method. It's ready. We're already earning more money now. Once you've started to generate good profits, you can earn here. For example, here I'm going to select how much data, and if you want to invest, for example, here comes a little more information and a little more. As a technician, I do not recommend that you invest a single dollar because here we are not a money channel, or rather personal finance or anything like that. I simply wanted to show you the option, but it is not a recommendation here at River. As you can see, we will be able to receive our reward after having seen 4 ads or lightning bolts, or is it in fact you are going to win every 15 minutes. Here at Gateway you complete the CAPTCHA and you receive your reward. Now we also have other ways to win. For example, you are with multipliers, and also of course the world software itself is a fairly simple method, and as I told you, you can withdraw quite quickly. As you can see, you only need a minimum of 200 AX and up to a maximum of 15,000 per day, and that's it. You're going to withdraw your Bitcoins. You can go doing this method daily and start generating in a super simple way. Now the next one is about Full Coin Clan, and in fact here they have paid a lot of money. They have also made more than 37,000 withdrawals. and they will increase as people from this channel leave subscribing to these websites, registering on the super simple site. We simply click here and register with an email account, a password but the password, we solve the CAPTCHA here. Bus, let's see this may be ready. Let's see that we are not a robot here. We need to verify the raise. We are going to give him the following. Okay, we select here bicycles. We're going to finish this one by the raise. Well, how many do you want to do? Look, I am not a robot. Damn it, is there? It wants to be Faith. And now we are going to continue to the next website. As you see here, you can win in a very practical way. And we have auto faucet here for the mortals who want to earn money. We have the P1 click, as you see here, makes you receive many more coins for this. You just click here on go and wait for it to load. It will have a new website like this, if I do not recommend the truth. I do not know it, but we wait here a few seconds for it to finish. There it is. We solve the CAPTCHA or hell that says it contains a smiling dog. This one looks smiling. This one also, they look angry, for which he has a strange smile. He is not ready, and we have already claimed our reward. There it is, 50 coins. Okay, we are going to return to the dashboard, and as you can see, our balance has already been updated. Start earning for it here. We simply refresh in case we have the ad blocker, and as you see here, we have different links. This website, the truth is that it can become quite annoying, but you can give many more earnings. And well, here are other options to earn. As you simply see, you have to click on these links here in the faucet manual. You will see, for example, the faucet, so that you can receive some coins for free for calling it something. Here it is. We are waiting for it to finish loading since almost nothing is missing. And that's it, we can claim it here. Clicking here now is my main enemy, the CAPTCHAs that move. Verified, there it is. And we have to answer this last one. I don't know if it has to be in an order or something like that. 1 plus 232 plus 461 plus 89. Uruguay school perfect. We already received our credits. As you can see, it is super simple. Now finally, to withdraw, we simply have to select how much data we want here, the amount here, we put our wallet, and that's it. We are going to withdraw our money. The truth is that it is quite easy. And well, let's go to the last website that I tell you that it is the one that pays the most. And it is about an agreement. This is without a doubt my favorite, since it has given me incredible gains. Honestly, it is the one that pays the most. And now here we can see, for example, our balance, for we only need 6,000 ketosis, and to win you simply have to see ads by clicking here. As you can see, we will begin to load different options, giving 9,659 here. We actually have several options to win, and all of these are different from the previous ones, the same as these others as well. And finally, video ads. That yes, here we also have tasks so that you can earn more for completing offers. The tap, where you will be able to claim more at doses, and here you could participate by announcing tea and others. The truth is that this website also pays super well. But hey, tell me what you think about these websites. To win, leave me your comments in description to know what you think. Until next time.